Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a guide to web scraping and automation for beginners on Apify. So what is Apify? Apify is a cloud platform for web scraping and automation, offering pre-built tools called actors that help extract data from websites or automate repetitive tasks. These actors run in the cloud and can handle scraping at scale without needing local resources. Now here's a step-by-step guide. First is sign in and explore Apify console. Create an account on Apify. Access the Apify store to find pre-built actors for popular websites or create your own scraper. Choose a pre-built actor or build your own. Use ready-made scrapers for sites like Amazon's, Twitter, and Google Maps. For custom scraping, Apify supports tools like Puppeteer and Playwright. You can define scraping logic using JavaScript or Python. Frameworks such as Crowley and Scrapy. Configure the scraper. Input the URL of the page you want to scrape. Customize what data to extract by using browser. DevTools to inspect the HTML structure. Press F12 in Chrome. Identify unique elements like divs, spans, or classes containing the data. Next is run the scraper. Start the scraping task in the console. Apify handles data extraction and saves result in formats like JSON, CSV, or Excel. Monitor progress and adjust settings as needed for more complex data extraction. Next is export and use the data. Download the scraped data for analysis, or integrate it into APIs or databases. Apify allows automation and scheduling of scraping tasks for continuous data collection. Lastly is the advanced options. For automations, set up workflows that combine scraping with task automation. For scaling, Apify handles proxies and can scrape multiple pages simultaneously. And lastly, for APIs, use Apify's API to trigger scraping tasks programmatically. And that's basically it.